to the elevator at JCPenney, Altamonte Mall, Altamonte Springs, Florida. Right over here. It's a Montgomery elevator. Innovation. This button is broken. Montgomery. Let's go up to UL. Montgomery Conan mod. £3,500 capacity. Get your cab view. None of the indicators work in here. It's a pretty nice elevator. Wooden cab. Montgomery. You got some wooden doors. There's your certificate. It's a £3,500 capacity. Okay. See that motor one more time and we'll end upstairs. Button. And that will be it. Thank you for watching.